Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, I have informed you in many previous videos that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are moving towards Dessie after gaining control over several important areas in Amhara region. And I also shared a video with you about which hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen moving towards Dessie. Viewers, for the past several hours, Tigray Defense Force sources have been claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Dessie city. The latest situation at the time of the Dessie is that all the traffic inside the Dessie city is closed due to security reason. Citizens are migrating from Dessie and roads and streets are deserted in the Dessie city. While reports have been received from the last few hours that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have managed to enter the Dessie city. Viewers, banks and other important things in the Dessie are being transferred from the Dessie to Addis Ababa by the Ethiopian government. And there was no statement from the Amhara and Ethiopian government regarding this claim. Reportedly, 2 days ago, heavy number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers were deployed from Dessie to Chifra, and there were now fewer Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers in the Dessie city. And also earlier on Tigray Defense Force side claimed that Tigray Defense Force has reached in the vicinity of Dessie. But now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Dessie city, and many videos and pictures are being received from inside the Dessie city. According to several sources, it is being claimed that Tigray Defense Force has also confirmed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have managed to enter the Dessie and have taken control of the Dessie city, but not yet shared photos or videos from Tigray Defense Force as evidence that we can share with you. Because Dessie is very important place in Amhara region, which is very close to Kombolcha, and the next target of the Tigray Defense Force will be Addis Ababa after gaining control over Kombolcha. And on behalf of Tigray Defense Force General and Tigray government spokesman Getachew Reda, there have also been several statements about Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa. Viewers, yesterday The Ethiopian Air Force carried out heavy air strikes in the vicinity of central capital Mekelle to prevent the Tigray Defense Force from advancing in the Amhara region. I think things are now out of control. On the other hand, reports have been received that heavy fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is going on in the area of Chifra. A few days ago, Tigray Defense Force claimed that Tigray Defense Force had taken control of Chifra after a heavy war, and then the huge number of Ethiopian National Defense Force present in the Dessie were deployed near Chifra. And now, according to the latest reports, heavy war is underway in Chifra and its surroundings, and heavy weapons are being used from both sides, resulting in reports of heavy damage. And here, Tigray Defense Force has taken full advantage of the opportunity and have quickly entered the Dessie after gaining control over Vichale, which was also the center of heavy war last month. Viewers, at the same time, let me inform you that a statement from a senior journalist has just claimed that the soldiers of the Tigray Defense Force have reached close to the Dessie, and reports of Tigray Defense Force entry are also being received from some areas of Dessie, but Dessie city is still under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. On the other hand, there have been continuous reports from the last several hours that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Dessie, but due to the lack of any photo or videos received, we cannot confirm that Tigray Defense Force has taken full control over the Dessie city. Viewers, and now, in a statement by Tigray government spokesman Getachew Reda, said that there is so much naivete flying around in the crucibles of international diplomatic capitals of the world as regards Abiy Ahmed's overtures for peace. While we have seen time and again that he quickly responds to military pressure, he is not someone who would willingly abandon his preferred choice of resolving differences through military means as long as he thinks he can get away with it. He has never been for peace, only the appropriate use of sticks can prod him into considering such path. The airstrike on civilians in Mekelle is proof positive that he will do everything of terrorize our people, especially when his forces are losing in the battlefield. If people had illusions he could keep his promise to resolve the conflict peacefully. Yesterday's attack should make it clear that only sticks are effective. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.